Hello, this is Algebra 1B Unit 3, Lesson 4. We're going to look at the associative property today. The associative property. The associative property is all about grouping. So it's about who your associates are, who you're with, what your group is. And so it's all about changing parentheses. I gave you an example like this. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is the same as 3 plus 4 plus 5. And we can verify that. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And so you end up with the same answer regardless of which way you group it. And there's an associative property for addition. And there's an associative property for multiplication. Okay, so 3 times 4 times 5 is the same as 3 times 4 times 5. Just to verify, 12 times 5 is 60. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. Okay, so you can verify it yourself. It does work. Here's the way we typically use it. If I have like terms, 6x plus 5x plus 3 plus 2, I can use grouping, use the associative property to group the like terms together and add them together. 6x's and 5x's are 11x's. 3 and 2 are 5. Okay? All right? And so that's really how it's used. Let's use it in a proof. Okay, let's say I want to prove 5x plus 2 plus 8x plus 4 equals 13x plus 6. You can see what I did. I added the x's, 5x's and 8x's to make 13x's, and 2 and 4 make 6. But we want to prove it. So we're going to start with 5x plus 2. That's our given. And we're going to do some things. I'm going to switch the 2 and the 8. Okay, you might ask yourself, what property says I can switch the 2 and the 8x? And the answer is the commutative property. So do a step and name the rule that says you can do that. Commutative property of addition. Okay? And then I'm going to group the 5x and the 8x together. And I'm going to group the 2 and the 4 together. That's using the associative property. Of addition. 5x and 8x is 13x. 2 and 4 is 6. Okay? And that's what we were seeking to prove. We are done. Okay? Proof complete. All right, that's really about all there is to it. There's all kinds of examples where you can change the parentheses. Not change the order, because when you change the order, you're using the associative property, or the commutative property. But when you change the grouping, change the parentheses, you're using the associative property.